My name's Hal Gill, and this is for Water Takes here in Valencia. This is a new song. It's either called Gypsy Smile or Flying Off the Rails. I'm not sure yet. Particular woman in a remarkable hour, she catches me staring, comes and hands me a flower, hands me a flower. Her gypsy smile, wants $1 for the flower, but I'm giving it all I got for the smile. It's a remarkable day here, and the willows are swinging. It's all on display here. You can bet I'm paying attention to the details. I'm fine flying off of the rails, giving it all I got. Reflecting off Portuguese tile, and all that stems from such a smile. She's a remarkable woman in a troubling hour, and she catches me